today I have some pony mail from two different sellers. I was trying to get the party time set and I saw a couple, but of course trying to complete it can be a challenge when you're missing a few parts. So you look for good deals and try to track it down. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, well, we're gonna... Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Alright. That's one box. We're just gonna... We've got some more bags and things. Poor Yum Yum. Alright, let's see what else here. Dump this out and go through it. So we have Firefly. She is not part of the party time set, but when you can get bonus stuff, that's never bad. Alright, here she is. And we've got a birth flower pony with some shoes. Her shoes are cute. She looks like she's in really nice shape. It's good. Some shoes. Cute, cute. She's got her little leg warmers. I love these leg warmers on the ponies. I think they're so cute. But she's in pretty good shape. And Starshine. Looking good, girls. You got a rattle, but looking good. Sunbeam. She's got a little discoloration on her foot. And Heartthrob. She's looking nice too. Alright, so then we have So Soft, Best Wishes. She's got a little bit of flocking mark. She's part of the party pack. Will you stand? Yep. And Blossom. She's looking really... She looks like she's in good shape still. That's good. She looks good. And the Celebration, My Little Pony. Oh, that might just be Goop. Oh. Alright. She's actually... Her body looks like it's in... There's a few little things, but I don't know if I can... Yeah, I can't get her head off right now. It doesn't look like she's got much going on inside, which means maybe she never went in the water. Yay! I did see, there's a little float. We're going to set you in one so you stay up. Then we have... Oh, it's coming. I think that's just like actual lip gloss or something. It's coming right off, which is awesome. So they've got some ties. Cool. Oh, is that for pin the tail on the donkey? I think it is. It's so they can be blindfolded. How cute. So that's party time. Twinkle Eye party time. She's cute. We actually have two of them. Miss Pony USA. Cute, cute. Shoes. Yeah. Well, there's a little bit of a mismatch going on. She's got like... Well, instead of highlight... Well, she does. She has like highlighter pink going on here on her neck. And there's a... Oh, she's got it too. Look at this. Look at this discoloration right here. That must be a little bit common, although I don't know if she's got mold or if it's just regrind. Wow, the color is just, it turned it pink. Same here. So, must be, she's like got, it's like she has chicken pox. There's just these Or leopard spots. She's got spots. I didn't even notice on her until just now. That's wild. This is Morning Glory, and looks like she's been given toenails. Poor thing. I don't know, since it's red, it may have discolored that somewhat underneath. The nail polish remover will take off most of it, but probably got a little discoloration. We'll see. And this girl, huh? Also, nail polish and writing. Oh no. Poor Yum Yum. Looks like a blindfold. She's got her little party pants on. I think this is so baby frosting. We have two of these guys because I had two different batches. And these ones both, well, she's got a little haircut right there. But they both look pretty good. Ah, now her flocking, at least it's a little better on her wings. Oh, she's in nice shape. Other than her ears. She's in really good, her body's in great shape. That's good. Alright, so we have lots of bags of goodies. So let's see what all is in here. That looks like, what is that? That's like a little scarf. Alright. So we have It's a Party. And then we have some cake. We have a cute little thing. Oh, this is what I recognize this. I'm not sure if it's My Little Pony or not, but it's very cute with it goes in the hair. Somebody's hair. We'll pretend. We got a cute hat, some party plates. We have party cups. Okay. That's cute. Someone wrote Diono birthday ballroom, March 15th at 9:42 a.m. So that one's written in, but these ones are all plain and ready. Oh, Galaxy House Friday at 1. That's cute. So we have 4 that don't have any writing, which is great. We have some birthday hats. They're a little worn, as to be expected from something made from paper. Some more plates. And a few of those, a ribbon. We get some, and her little, let's see if I can get it on there. Little birthday balloon. Alright, what else? We've got another birthday balloon. We've got some supplies for the Peachy parlor, her saddle, and the cat. Here's Twinkles. He's in nice shape. Cute, cute. And Sundance's bridal. Oh, is way cute. Just love that soft little velvet. It's so cute. And I know I owned this little outfit when I was a kid. One of my favorites, I think, because who doesn't love all that bright, colorful stuff? Oh my gosh. Some more Peachy Parlor accessories. Okay, we got some of that off. So we've got the It's a Party Time. This one's actually in a little bit, it's whiter. Hasn't yellowed, it's not as dirty. A little better shape, though it's hairy. Ugh. And then more plates. Whee! And I think we now have a complete cake. Oh my, here's the Pony Party gift pack and the instructions. Holy cow. Cute. So here's here's the box from that little party box. Cute. There's for pin the tail on the pony. Oh, here's the tails. Super cute. Different tails. We've got some more party hats. Oh, and there's her party panties. Haha! Which we have. Glad that there's the pin the tail on the pony game and the tails. Got more of these invitations. It looks like they don't have writing. Good. That's great. And then this is the party banner. I think we have most of the set. And the instructions, which is pretty cool. Got one more bag. It looks like it just has some brochures. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, the princess ponies. With jewel-like medallions. Oh my gosh, and the Big Brothers. Okay, so we've got princess ponies. Big Brother ponies, aren't they cute? Summer Wings. And the Brush and Grow ponies. That's neat. What's over here? Then we have Twice as Fancy. Happy Tales ponies. And Magic Message ponies. And the Sunday Best ponies. Pretty neat. Alright, now... Oh, there's Molly and Baby Sundance. Aw. Goodness, so soft ponies. Aw. And then we have the Twinkle-Eyed ponies. Flutter ponies. So pretty. What's over here? All the outfits. Oh gosh. Very cute. Baby ponies with Betty by eyes. Oh boy. My Little Pony Paradise Estate. Holy cow. I remember that thing is huge. I did not have that, but my friend did. And it was big. Oh, the cute little purse. Pretty and Pearly Baby Sea Ponies. And then the little baby buggy. Megan and Sundance. And the Baby Bonnet School of Dance and Nursery. And there's the little party gift pack set, like what we got today. Very cool. Love seeing the old brochures. Alright guys, well, lots of cute brochures and lots of ponies to clean, and I'm really close to completing this set, which is cool. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe to the channel so I can see you again next time. Thanks so much for watching, guys.